Welcome to our channel. Unlocking the full potential of Fire Stick in 2025 means using all its legitimate features. Follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your device. Step 1. Customize your home screen by rearranging apps, removing recommendations you don't want, and adding shortcuts to your favorites. Step 2. Enable Alexa voice control for hands-free navigation. Use commands like Open Netflix or Find Comedy Movies for easier browsing. Step 3. Connect Bluetooth devices like headphones or speakers for better audio. Go to Settings, Controllers, and Bluetooth devices, then Other Bluetooth devices. Step 4. Use screen mirroring to display your phone or tablet on your TV through Fire Stick. Enable this in Settings under Display and Sounds. Step 5. Install productivity apps like Silk Browser or Firefox for web browsing on your TV screen. Step 6. Set up parental controls to restrict content ratings and prevent unauthorized purchases. Go to Settings, Preferences, then Parental Controls. Step 7. Optimize video quality in Settings under Display and Sounds. Choose the highest resolution your TV supports for the best picture quality. Step 8. Keep your Fire Stick updated with the latest software for security patches and new features. Enable automatic updates in Settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.